So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to change your passcode in your Trust Wallet. So first, you need to open your Trust Wallet on your mobile device. After that, you will see this page. So basically, you just have to click the My Wallet at the top, which is the drop-down menu. And after that, you will see this page, which is the wallet section. So you just have to click the gear icon represented as the settings. And after that, scroll down and click for the security and just wait. As you can see under the security options, you will see the passcode toggled because I already enable it for me to add a passcode in my Trust Wallet. So for you to change your passcode, you just have to toggle it off and toggle it on so you can change your passcode on your Trust Wallet. If you found this video so helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.